This roller and Gua Sha is part of my everyday beauty routine, and I love them so much. Let me tell you a little bit more about these products. So the roller is this rose quartz stone on the top and the bottom, and then this middle piece actually is just like a plasticky, but they matched it to make it look like the rose quartz, and so I really love that feature. I think it's just really beautiful, and then it has the rose gold for the middle, a big roller and a smaller roller on this one. And then the Gua Sha stone here, same stone, right? The rose quartz, just beautiful, this light pink color. And then it has, again, just the different areas you can use on your face. So what I love about this is that it's a really gentle massager. It helps, I put it with my lotion on in the morning and I like massage my face and helps get the lymph nodes going and the drainage, and just like uplifts, and it feels so good. Same thing with this, right? You can use like some sculpting and massage. And then of course, you're gonna wanna put these in the fridge or the freezer before you use them, because the cold, again, just like really makes the skin feel so good. I love using these because I feel so refreshed after. Between the cold and the massage, my face feels so good. So you can use both of them, you can use one of them. I like to use the roller as a more of a gentle massage. So I'll use it up and out, same thing on my forehead, up and around. The little piece here under my eyes or for my eyelids or my eyebrows, right? It just feels so good. And then same thing with this piece, you can use it for jaw sculpting, on your forehead, down your neck. So again, there's so many different things that you can use with this. And of course, you can get really, really in depth with this. So this comes with instructions in the box. It teaches you very basics, how to use them. Or I like to go on YouTube and watch a bunch of different videos on these as well and learn new things I can be using these for and how to be massaging with these tools. So I highly recommend if you're looking to add these to your beauty routine. They also make really great stocking stuffers. If you're looking for something that someone else would really love, I highly recommend these as well.